Next, we take a look at a 2-bedroom beach villa. This fully detached private 2,870 square foot beach villa features 2 large master bedrooms. Each have a private screened-in patio and ensuite. It is worth mentioning a small 3rd bedroom with a single bed and bathroom, perfect for a child. This unit features a full kitchen, a spacious living area with ultra-comfortable furnishings, a high ceiling, and a dining room. Outside you'll find a private heated pool, a sun deck, and an outside dining pavilion. And that concludes our tour of the 2-bedroom beach villa. I'm Caribbean Clint.